Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Ashish Dhaka, Joint Partners in Service Director, Rotrac District 3142. I would like to congratulate Rotrac Club of Birla College for initiating such a wonderful project of 9 Reasons Why. Also, I would like to thank them for giving me a chance to speak on the same. So 9 Reasons Why to save water is our body can't survive without fresh water, but our vehicles can. So it is very important for us to conserve water and not just utilize on washing our vehicles with the fresh water. Another thing I would like to address is our personal hygiene, that we need to maintain it, so we require fresh water for the same. Also, ecosystem demands for fresh water to work properly and efficiently. Also, I would just like to add few more things, like we can take small precautionary measures to save water for our upcoming generations so they can live peacefully. Like while we brush our teeth, we can switch off the taps for a while, the time we are just brushing our teeth, and then switch it on when we need to use it. So like that way, with small precautionary measures, we can try and save water and conserve for the futures. Thank you.
Water is a direct link to source of energy for living things. All oxygen-dependent organisms need water to aid in the respiration process. Some organisms, such as a fish, can only breathe in water. Other organisms require water to break down food molecules or generate energy during the respiration process. Water also helps many organisms regulate metabolism and dissolves compounds going in or out of their body. Without water, agricultural processes cannot take place. Irrigated agriculture represents 20% of the total cultivated land and contributes to 40% of the total food produced worldwide. Irrigated agriculture is on average at least twice as productive per unit of land as rain-fed agriculture, thereby allowing more production, intensification, and crop diversification.
Hello everyone, I am Rotractor Sushmita Valecha, District Joint Secretary 2021, RID 3142. Thank you Rotrac Club of Birla College for giving me this opportunity. Today I am going to address on an important concern these days, that is saving water. We humans often say that food, clothing and shelter are our basic necessities. Have we ever thought about the basic necessities of the animals out there? Let's in specific talk about aquatic animals. Every year, lakhs of POP Ganpatis are dumped into water. Different rivers, lakes, oceans get contaminated due to it. Different aquatic animals are leading a hazardous life because of the contamination that we create. Different types of garbage disposals, hazardous one or non-hazardous one, are being disposed into water, thus degrading the quality of water with each passing day. We, for our betterment, do multiple initiatives to keep the environment clean in which we live. Let's not just think about ourselves and take a step for saving the environment in which these aquatic animals live. Save water, avoid water pollution and contamination, and thus help aquatic animals lead a better and healthy life. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Rotractor Ashish Mande, District Joint Secretary and Body Council Member for Rotrac Club of Birla College. So here I am to state one of the 9 reasons that why we should save water. So basically water is the most essential need for us human beings. Like as we all know, a human cannot survive without water for max to max 3 days. He needs a water intake. So just imagine, like, if we are just putting up garbage and just wasting water, and one day when there won't be a water, how are we humans, like we are almost over 6 millions, so how are we gonna survive it? So it is a request that guys make the minimum usage of water as much as we can, as you can or your family members can, and just try to conserve the water for us, for our future self and for the future generations who will be coming. That's it. Thank you.
Our lives depend on it, and living things can't survive without water. Preservance of environment depends on water. It is limited and will be scarce soon.